Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Media Player Classic Home Cinema, also known as MPC-HC, one of the most lightweight and reliable media players for Windows. First, open your web browser and go to the official MPC-HC releases page on GitHub. This is where you can safely download the latest version of the software. On the Releases page, locate the latest stable version. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, download the 64-bit installer, usually named MPC-HC X64. Most modern computers use the 64-bit version. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. On this screen, the installer is asking whether you would like MPC-HC to create a shortcut icon on your desktop. A desktop shortcut allows you to quickly launch the program without having to search for it in the Start menu. Select for the current user only if you want the shortcut to appear only on your account. Select for all users if you want every Windows user on the computer to have access to the desktop shortcut. Then click Next to continue. Select Launch MPC-HC and click Finish. After the installation is complete, please right-click on a video file and set MPC-HC as the default player for all your videos. Now, open the video with MPC-HC to make sure the video quality is good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.